Hello viewers, how are you all doing today? So in this video, we're going to do another fun project basically. So Belle is going to follow a line, okay? So we have a paper copy given with the boxes, or you can make your own line, doesn't matter. So Belle is going to follow a line and this project is going to be about that. So without any further delay, let's get started. Hello guys, and welcome to another interesting tutorial of Belle Robot by Adama Robotics. In this tutorial, we're going to learn about following a line with Belle. As we know that our Belle robot has two line follower sensors. Basically, they're IR sensors that is placed just beside the caster wheel. Okay, so what happens? So our sensors, they detect infrared. Okay, they detect the black color. What happens is whenever the infrared ray goes towards the black color, it absorbs. And if it's a white color, it receives. So the IR sensor is made up of two lights, as you can see. If you take it nearby, take it too close, you will see that one is a transmitter and one is a receiver. So what happens is Belle can understand if the light is reflected back or not. So with this sensor, we can check if there is a line underneath it, the sensor. Okay, so there's this block called line follower status block in Adama Script IDE, where we have a couple of conditions. Okay, the first condition is being, as you can see here, sensor 1 is on the left and sensor 2 is on the right. Okay, we normally know that. And the four conditions, the first one, as you can see here, S1 in and S2 out. That means sensor 1 is on the line and sensor 2 is out of the line. That means our Belle is tilted towards right. So we have to keep the Belle towards left to keep on moving towards the line. And there's another condition, that is S1 out and S2 in. That means here I have some demonstration. Let's say S1 and S2, let me explain it again, that it is on the, S1 is the sensor 1 on the green line, and S2, that is sensor 2, is out of the line, that is the brown one. So Belle is tilted towards right and we want to move towards left to keep on the line. On the next condition, sensor 1 is out and sensor 2 is in. That means Belle is tilted towards left. Now we want to tilt it towards right to keep it on the line. Third condition is sensor 1 in and sensor 2 in. So everything is fine. Now what do we want to do? We want to Belle to move forward. And on the last one, sensor 1 out and sensor 2 out, both of them are out, so we want to check for the line and keep on moving forward. Okay, so this is a very straightforward program. We will go to the Adama Script IDE and programming it like this from the manual. Here, Adama Script block is taken, and then forever block, and then if else block, inside another if else block. First of all, we're checking if the sensor 1 is in and sensor 2 is out. So if it is like that, we want to move towards left because motor 1 speed is less and motor 2 speed is higher. So it will move towards left. Otherwise, if the sensor 1 is out and sensor 2 is in, it will move towards right. Otherwise, it will keep on moving forward. So let us go to the Adama Script IDE and connect our Belle robot. First of all, let's connect our Belle robot and go to the robot section, take Adama Script program, go to the controls section, take forever block, and inside forever block we want to take if else and another if else. And in the robot section, first of all, we want to take the line follower status block. So first condition should be S1 in and S2 out. Okay, we will take motor 1 speed and motor 2 speed. So 120 and the other one should be 50. Okay, so this is basically we want to move towards left. Then let's duplicate this block and put it here, and this time S1 out and S2 in. S1 out and S2 in. I'm going to duplicate these blocks, and this should be the opposite way. So motor 1 speed is less higher and motor 2 speed is less. That means the motor will move towards right. Okay, so remember that S1, the sensor 1, represents the left one, and S2 represents the right one. Otherwise, we want to just keep on moving forward. Okay, so let's say 50-50, that's the speed. And let's check our code here. Everything is fine. So let us upload the code on our bell and see what happens. So we press the upload to Arduino button and see what happens. We can find a line that was given with the box on the booklet. Just take that booklet and place bell on top of it and turn it on. Let us see the demonstration.